What's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. So today I have a super quick, super fast video for y'all. I am going to be unboxing the new MacBook Air. This is the one that just released this year. It has that M1 chip or whatever. This is the 13-inch and it is in space gray. So I also got a couple of knickknacks from Amazon. Nothing too fancy, just some affordable little knickknacks for the Mac. So let's get started. We're first gonna open up the MacBook. I am so excited. And this was actually a gift. My husband got it for me. And I'm so happy that he got me the space gray because this is how it comes. I had a pink iPhone for a while and I hated it. I was so over the pink. After a few months, I was like, I can't. So I'm just glad that he got me this space gray. It's basic, it's classic, and you can change up the colors with some skins or some covers or whatever. I'm trying to like take this out. Oh. Oh goodness. So here it is. It's all wrapped up. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, so here it is. Oh man, the ring light is kind of reflecting crazy on the color, but it's that basic space gray. So yeah, let's open this up. Dude, I'm like doing too much right now. Oh my gosh. Look at how pretty. This is so simple, so smooth and sleek. I love it. Look at how thin that is. And it does have some weight on it. Like it is, you know, kind of heavy, but it's super flat, super slick. I love it. That is the Mac, you guys. It's just so nice. Look at that. It has the little rubbery stands so it doesn't slide around the table or whatever. Okay, so now I'm gonna open up the Amazon boxes. This is my mouse, you guys. Yes, I just had to get a mouse because I do not want to be on that little mouse pad like this all day, like no. And it's not from Apple. I mean, the Apple mouses are like $100, girl. That's already expensive as it is, okay? So no ma'am. I had to get this little affordable one. I think this one was like 15 bucks. And it's wireless. And look, it's so thin, super slick as well. Okay, bet. I like this. I like that. And by the way, you guys, this is how my hair is lightening up. I'm not sure if y'all saw my Brad Mondo video, but this is what it looks like. No one cares. Okay, so yay! This is my little case, and this little box is a little stand. It comes with a little carry-on pouch, so you can take it with you anywhere you're going with your Mac. And I just thought that this was gonna be super like useful for you to kind of set up your MacBook. I'm like, how does this go? Okay, I need instructions. I don't know why this is so hard for me. This isn't rocket science. Okay. There you go. This is what it looks like. It has these little things right here so it doesn't scratch the Mac and it doesn't slide around. This is too cute. Look at that. That's perfect. It gives you that extra like height that you need to like see it eye level kind of, you know what I mean? Okay, now let's open up my case. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm doing the most. I'm being too much. I'm way over the top right now. I've never had a MacBook, so I'm just excited. Okay. All right, so here we go. Nice. Okay, so this comes with the hard shell case for the Mac. It comes with keyboard protectant, I guess, and also a screen protectant too, and its little case. So let me put everything together. Here it goes, you guys. Oh, I almost dropped it. Look at how cute this looks. I love it. Yes. So now we're gonna do the screen protector. Okay, and here is the little matching case. And this has the soft inside, that way it's not gonna scratch your laptop, and it also has these little pocket triangles so you can tuck in the laptop in there so your laptop doesn't move around or fall when you open the case. Let's see, it also has a little pouch in here, and here's where I could like put the mouse and the little stand. So let me just finish putting these little rubber things on the keyboard. I don't know, does it stick on its own? Does anyone know? And this little kit also comes with the little rubber things that you're able to stick underneath. These little guys. You could just stick them down here. And all this stuff I will be popping in the description. And I did get everything on Amazon. Like I said, super affordable little knickknacks. Let me show you guys what it looks like inside the little sleeve, the little case. There you have it, thumbnail. Okay, there you go. This is perfect. This is so cute. I don't really know what this is for. Maybe to put, I don't know, slide something else in there. I'm not sure. And yeah, here is that pocket that you can slide your stand in. And this, remember, comes with its carry-on pouch. And then you slide this one in. And then the mouse, you can also slide this in here. And boom, you're ready to go. I'm so happy that I bought all these little accessories for the Mac. I think that they're gonna come in handy. I'm gonna keep my Mac protected, hopefully. So yeah, there you have it, you guys. Thank you so much for sticking till the end of the video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.